Having trouble with Zoom crashing on Windows 11? In this tutorial, we'll guide you through 3 simple solutions to resolve the issue and get back to your meetings without interruptions. Open Start and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type SFC/Scano. Press Enter. Wait for Windows to be repaired. Open the link provided in the description of the video. Go to Create Windows 11 Installation Media and press Download Now. Save the file. Double-click the file you just downloaded. Press Next. Save the file as Windows 11. Wait for the file to be downloaded. Double-click the Windows 11 ISO file. Click on Setup and run it. Wait for the update to be installed. Open the Zoom application on your computer. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the app. From the drop-down menu, select Check for Updates. If an update is available, follow the on-screen instructions to download and install it. Restart the Zoom application and check if the crashing issue is resolved. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.